Hi guys, so we are super excited because we have our next Glam Bag happening next Friday, which is May 24th. And so Steph and I thought it'd be really fun to break down what's in the bag with you and share with you our favorites, because this bag, I know I say it every time, but
I love this bag.
It's actually bigger and better.
I love this bag, yeah.
Every time I'm topping myself, it's always a challenge that I'm up for, and you know, I always do it, so hey. So let's get right into the bag and what's in it. So, should we just get right into the full size, guys?
Yeah, I think so, actually, yeah.
Okay, you guys.
Two incredible full-size products.
Yes. You are going to get a full size of the Lady Suite. So you have heard us talking about this. This is something that's really great to use for the glow below. This is great like post-shave, post-wax, and it's something that you should be using every day because you shouldn't neglect your skin down there.
I think it works better if you use it every day. Like
yeah.
I feel like you see better benefits. Like it's not just one of those like use it one time and it works type of situations.
Absolutely.
I love it.
Yeah, I really love it too. So I've been using this actually every day. And Therese, you know, the founder, she was even saying that it may help with like my scar from my C-section.
I remember
and
saying
I really feel like it's helped somewhat with the texture. And it's only been like two
just,
months.
Yeah. My thing, I've definitely noticed like just softer skin and like when I shave, it's just so much softer.
No irritation. No irritation at all.
Summer ladies, bikini lines.
Bikini lines, you need this. So yeah, you're going to be getting this in your Glam Bag. The next thing that you're going to get is you're going to get this Inner Sense, the I Create Lift Volumizing foam. I had to look at it just because I forget. I create lift. I create inner peace. So I have to always remember the exact names that Inner Sense uses. But this is really great. I love using this especially because my hair is fine and I use it just for a little bit of style.
I like to use it when my hair's wet and blow dry it.
Okay, nice. Yeah.
Well, because I have fine hair, so I feel like it works better that way than if I put it in my hair dry.
Totally. But this is really nice from Inner Sense, and it smells amazing too. And then we can kind of get into some of the other guys that are more of the deluxe size samples, but again, just really great products. Let's just talk about May Lindstrom because you guys know that we love her. You're gonna get a problem solver, which you probably always see Steph doing over on her
you guys,
IG.
I feel like all I post are masks now. I'm like, I don't even do my makeup anymore.
Right.
This is one of my staple masks.
Yeah, so you guys are gonna get a problem solver. And with this, you want to be generous in using it. I know, like, you get this little deluxe size and you're like, wait,
you want to savor it.
But you're not going to really get the full effect. So you really want to use this. You want to dump it all into a bowl. Maybe you could squeeze 2 masks out of it.
Yeah.
Maybe, but I feel like that's kind of a maybe. If you want to, just this will give you like a real generous helping to do like an overall mask and really try the product out, because you want to use this product just once a week.
Yeah.
You don't want to use it like
I call this
my
like hard reset. So like when my skin is just acting a fool and I just need to set him straight, it's like problem solver. I'll do it on my chest too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. This is super great. That and clean dirt too. I love.
Yeah, clean dirt in the shower.
And on the back and stuff. It just makes you so soft. And we'll get into, we have a new line that we're carrying called Ayuna. So you guys probably saw we did the launch for that.
These products smell amazing.
They do.
All of them. I have the body lotion on and I love them.
Yeah, they smell, like all their products smell really, really good. And so you're getting the Cream 2, which is one of their star products in the line. This really helps to go in and hydrate the skin, which is what we all need now, especially as we're getting into like these warmer months.
I feel like every skin tone type could really use this product.
Totally.
Even though it's heavier.
It is a little bit heavier. So I guess like maybe if you live in a humid climate, maybe you'd want to just use it at night. But for us, we're in Arizona in the desert and it's dry AF. And this guy right here is super great. Has lots of antioxidants in there and plasma as well too. So it goes in and it kind of resurfaces the texture of the skin. So this is a really nice generous sample of that.
A little bit goes a long way too, just so you guys know.
Yes, it does.
I love it.
I always love these little
it's so
baby,
cute. Well, and the
lip
packaging,
glosses.
it's beautiful as always. Like her packaging is just so pretty. This color I feel like is so universal for so many people. Like it would look good on you and on me.
I feel like you need to go put it on.
Maybe I will.
Yes. Steph, we will.
I'll be right back.
Hold on. Pausing. Steph's going to put it on and we'll be right back. We're back. Steph put the lip on. She tried to use the sample, and I was like, oh, heck no. This is going in a Glam Bag, girl. We can't use this. We got to use ours.
It's so cute, though. I was like, I want to.
I know.
Okay, but this is what it looks like. I love it.
And she's just wearing it alone.
Yeah.
So it's just a really nice, like, neutral wash of color. I feel like, especially for summer.
It feels really good.
Yeah, I love her glosses.
Yeah.
Because if you don't like a sticky gloss, this is really nice. And you can even put this on top of any lipsticks. Sorry, I had to wave bye to somebody. You can even put this on top of any lipsticks. And it just is like a nice sheer wash of color, which is really cool. Okay, and then let's get into...
Oh my gosh, it's the little nugget. So cute.
I just love this little nugget. Look at
that.
Little nugget.
That's still a lot. That's a lot of product for that product.
So this, you guys, is the Agent Nature HOLI C. If you guys have never used this product before, this is a water-activated vitamin C product. So it actually comes in powder form. So it's super duper potent, okay? You're gonna put a little bit in the palm of your hand, and you wanna activate it with either water, obviously, if you're getting fancy like we like to do.
Yes.
Then you want to activate it with the HOLI water from Agent Nature. And then you want to mix it with any like serum or moisturizer that you have, and it's just going to give you like an insane dose of vitamin C. So you're going to notice like better texture in your skin, less breakouts, brightness, everything.
Does it help even the complexion, like the skin tone?
Yes, yeah, totally. Yeah, so this is a really great one to try out. Okay, so now talking about skincare, let's get into this next guy, and this is from Patika. We really love Patika. We feel like it's a brand that doesn't get enough clout, you know, enough mention out there. But this is their double action smoothing scrub. So you put it on, you can leave it on as a mask, massage it into the skin. It just makes your skin like super duper baby soft. So I really love it, and I really love the way all Patika's products smell. They smell amazing. Really good. So this guy is in there. And then we'll just keep going. So the Suntegrity Impeccable Skin. Have you tried the Impeccable?
Yes, I have actually, yeah.
Yeah,
I love them.
So this is really, it's totally different than the regular Suntegrity that's the tinted with the primer. So that one is like a really like lightweight product, like almost like a tinted
moisturizer.
A really light tinted moisturizer in my opinion. This has coverage. So this will give you a little bit of coverage on the skin. It also has your SPF in there, which is really great. So you're getting one of these to try.
I like that little travel size too. I think it's perfect for summer, like if you're going on a trip or something.
Totally, totally. And then next.
It's on today. Under my makeup.
That's why your makeup looks
I know,
so
that's why it looks polished. I love this stuff. So it's the True Skin Radiant Priming Serum from Ilia. So this product is actually known to kind of help with like, you know, brightening the complexion as well. So it does have some skincare benefits in there. But I love, like I'm an oily skin type, but I know my skin very well and I know how to do my makeup. But I have found that this just makes everything go on so much smoother.
It does.
So much smoother.
I can literally tell like when you guys are wearing it because it just, everything looks so small, polished.
Also put this on my chest. I love this stuff. It blends into the skin really well too, so it's not slimy.
Yeah.
That's one thing I feel like people think about primers. This is not slimy at all.
Well, and I feel like, especially with you being a makeup artist, you can really speak to like
the texture.
And I feel like it really holds makeup very well, and we don't have anything else like that in the natural world.
No.
That we've
not
tried.
In this texture. No.
So it's
awesome.
Really awesome. And then last but not least, we'll talk about Osmia. You love Osmia.
I love Osmia. I'm obsessed with Osmia. So this is you guys get this cute little deluxe sample of the Vital Rose Drops. So this is actually something you can mix into any moisturizer or any other serum that you have. If you guys love her Purely Simple face cream, you can mix it into that. But this is something that's going to add like a ton of moisture to the skin. Do you use this product?
I've used it before, and what I really love about it is it's like Sarah, the founder, she calls it like unicorn drops because you can just really... Like, even if you're not committed to like using like one particular line or you're not using Osmia, like you could get this and you can blend it in with any other skincare that you have when you just want to kind of amp up the hydration, which I really like.
I really like it too. And this is actually a very good size.
It is.
You guys could use that for a while. I think you definitely see some benefits even from just this size here. So I love this Glam Bag.
Well, you kind of have everything that you need.
Yeah, totally.
I'm looking down, so you've got a mask, you've got a face oil, you've got the vitamin C, you've got a face cream, you've got a face scrub.
Yes, you have a lot of treatment products. I feel like this bag is really good if you are honestly just kind of looking to refine your skin and get some things in your regimen that really hydrate you, but also is kind of fun. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I feel like this is a really good like going into summer bag.
Oh yes,
even though we didn't plan it that way.
No.
And finally, like our color scheme in terms of like the photos
beautiful.
looks really beautiful. It's like all peach
I will photograph
and white
this
and black.
set all day long.
Yeah, it just worked really good. So we hope you guys enjoy the Glam Bag. Again, it's happening next Friday. And yeah, leave us a comment below and let us know what you're most excited about. Yeah, until next time, bye.
Bye, guys.